You may not know this, so let me just put you on. There's a thing that they have called the credit bucketing system. And what that do is it groups similar people with similar credit scores, similar credit profiles, all into specific buckets. So let's say if you're a person that has, you pay your bills on time, you maintain 30% utilization, but you have one late payment that was maybe 3 or 4 years ago. So you would be in a specific bucket. It would be hard for you, or you may even be at 700, but it would probably be hard for you to get above 720 because of that one late payment. So one thing you would have to do to get into the next bucket, that 700 club, or even 800, you're gonna have to remove that one late payment. But you need to understand that late payment was 3 or 4 years ago. So now that plays a part in your payment history. That's gonna remove some of your payment history. So when you remove some of that payment history, your credit score is gonna take a hit. You're gonna lose some points. However, within about 60 or 90 days, when your credit starts to rebuild itself and rebalance, you will then be placed into another bucket, and that bucket will be the same people who pay their bills on time, maintain less than 30% utilization, and have no late payment. So to understand the bucketing system, they group similar individuals that have similar credit reports, similar credit scores, and similar profiles into specific buckets. Depending on how all of these different credit profiles and scores are, the algorithm groups them up into individual buckets. And getting into a higher bucket, you would need to have no late payments. You would need to make sure you pay all your payments on time, and you got to maintain at least a 30% utilization. But if you want to max out in any category within your credit report, my rule is for agencies: have no late payments, have a good credit mix, car loans, mortgage, credit cards, 5,000 limits or higher, and make sure you could maintain at least a 10%. Yeah, 10% credit utilization. This will give you the max in any one of those categories. So if you're trying to get into the next bucket, all you got to do is just clean your credit up in each category. I'm Taurus the General. If you have any questions about credit bucketing, leave them in the comments. You can follow me for more. Peace.